Hey there, food explorers. It's your buddy here. And if you've ever looked at a menu in a Chinese restaurant and thought, what's that? Then this video is for you. Today, we're diving into the deliciously mysterious world of Chinese food, unlocking some secrets that will turn you into a culinary detective. Let's face it, Chinese food is an adventure, and trust me, it's about more than just chow mein and egg rolls. So, get comfortable, grab your chopsticks, and let's break it down. Here are my top tips for unlocking the delicious secrets of Chinese cuisine. Most of us know soy sauce and ginger, but there's a whole world of flavors to unwrap. Did you know there's something called fermented black beans? And they're bursting with umami. Or how about Chinese 5-spice powder? It's like a flavor party in your mouth. Try experimenting with these ingredients. At home, it'll add a whole new dimension to your cooking. Now, if you really want to unlock the secrets, hit up an Asian grocery store or local market. Fresh ingredients will blow your mind. Check out the produce section for items you've never seen before, like bok choy, daikon, or Chinese eggplant. Don't be shy. Ask the shopkeeper how to cook them. They love talking about food. It's not just about the ingredients, it's how you use them. Stir frying, steaming, and braising are key methods in Chinese cooking. I've got my trusty wok here. It's like my best friend in the kitchen. Learn the wok high technique for that crisp, smoky flavor that will elevate any dish you prepare. And trust me, practice makes perfect. So get your sizzle on. Food in China isn't just about eating, it's a way of life. Tea is just as important as the meal itself. I recommend learning about different types of Chinese tea like green, oolong, or even pu'er. You can pair them with your dishes for a complete experience. Plus, it's a great way to impress your friends. Oh, you like dumplings? You should try it with this oolong tea. Boom. Mind blown. Eating Chinese food is best shared with friends and family. Dim sum is perfect for that. Order a bunch of small dishes and have a feast. It's a fun way to try different flavors and styles, and it makes for some epic dinner parties. So there you have it, guys. 5 secrets to unlock the magic of Chinese food. From understanding ingredients and mastering cooking techniques to embracing culture and sharing with loved ones, you'll be ready to take on any Chinese menu with confidence. If you've got any secret tips or favorite dishes, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more delicious journeys. Until next time, happy eating. Cheers!